guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another makeup tutorial for you guys. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this gold and orange sunset type of cat eye look. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved this, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And for those of you guys that tuned into our live stream yesterday, we could not get it to work. For some reason it wouldn't let us live stream horizontally, so we're gonna figure out a way to live stream vertically from now on. But we were super disappointed that we couldn't hop on live, but we definitely plan on doing it very soon. We really miss talking to you guys. So jumping into the tutorial, first thing I did was prime my eyelids, and I used my Too Faced concealer just to prime, and then I set it with some translucent powder. For today's palette, I picked up my Morphe X James Charles Artistry palette, and I just popped that orange shade in my crease, and I'm winging out that outer corner, so just dragging it out. And this look definitely reminds me of Lion King. I don't know why, but like when I first created this look, I was super inspired by like a really vibrant sunset, so that's kind of what inspired this look. Next, I'm picking up this angled brush and this darker orange red shade, and I'm just going to be applying a line of definition in my crease, and I'm drawing this slightly above my natural crease just because I want to give myself some more lid space and I don't want transfer when my eye is open. So I'm just being really precise about the way that I apply this. I like to start in the center of my crease, and if you need a map for this step, you can always apply this line while your eye is open. And then I'm grabbing this small tapered brush, and I kind of went in first with the lighter orange shade, and then I added a little bit of that darker orange shade, and I just like to slowly build and slowly diffuse my shadows. That way we get a nice blended look, but we still have a lot of definition and a lot of dimension. Next, I'm grabbing this really small angled brush from Colourpop. I believe this is an eyeliner brush. Eyeliner brushes are my favorite to use in the crease because they have the most defined tip or edge. And I'm grabbing the darker brown shade from the palette, and I'm definitely applying this in my crease for some more dimension and some more depth. And then I'm grabbing this small tapered brush and once again grabbing that darker orange reddish shade and just going in left and right motions. And I did go over this a couple of times. I just didn't want to show me repeating the steps, but if you want some more dimension and definition, then just repeat the step, blend it a little bit more, and it will definitely help you achieve that kind of look. And then I'm grabbing this small angled brush from Morphe, and I grabbed the black eyeshadow from the palette, and as you can see, I'm just kind of applying this to that outer edge, and I did not put this in my whole crease, just on the outer half of my crease. And then I'm grabbing that small tapered brush once again and that darker brown shade in the palette, and I'm just using that to help me diffuse it and just kind of blending everything together. I still want that outer edge to keep its definition, so I didn't blend it out too much. And then I grabbed this small angled brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills and some more of that Too Faced concealer, and I just carved the first half of my lid, and I'm trying to apply that outer corner as blended as possible. That way when I apply this shade, nothing comes out patchy. I'm grabbing this Heart of Gold Dose of Colors Block Party shadow, and I've been obsessed with the Block Party eyeshadows. They came out a while ago, but I just recently started picking them up because Bella's the one that has them in her collection, so I definitely have been playing a lot more with them. And then I am applying some more of that dark brown shade and that dark orange shade just to kind of give us a little bit more dimension. I feel like I've said dimension like 100 times so far. But that's what it did, and I'm just kind of blending that into the black eyeshadow and just making sure that everything looks really nice and blended, and then peeling off that tape which is the most satisfying part of this look. And then I'm applying my Shop Sophie Belle lashes in the style Jamaica, which is our lash brand. So if you want to support our company, the link to our company is always going to be in the description box down below. For my waterline, I applied this one by Urban Decay called Double Life. It's a really pretty bronzy liner. And then for the lower lash line, I kept it super simple. I just applied the first light orange shade and then the second darker orange reddish shade. And then I'm applying this mascara by The Balm called Mad Lash. For my inner corner, I picked up the gold shade in the palette. And I feel like I always do the same inner corner highlight, so I wanted to switch it up. So I picked up the gold, which I think went really nicely with this look. And then I'm grabbing my spoolie and I ran it through some bar soap. And I'm just running it through my brow, and I just think that it really sets the brow, gives it a more feathery, natural look. And this is the finished look, you guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you did, we appreciate you guys so much. You guys are the reason why we get to do what we love to do, and honestly, this is like what we love, so thank you so much. And I don't know where I was going with that. I forgot like my train of thought. Anyways, if you guys want to be entered for our monthly giveaway, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and then comment done down below. And unfortunately, our giveaway is only US, so please only enter if you're in the US. But we plan on doing international giveaways very soon. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!